We completely submerged the intake valves and carbon buildup with Seafoam. Guys, you're not going to believe this one. Check out the pump we're using to transfer the Seafoam motor treatment to the intake valves. Now, we'll go ahead and use our borescope camera to show you what the valves look like before doing this treatment. Then we'll come back and give you a side-by-side comparison of the valves after doing the treatment. Is there any hope for this GDI or direct injection engine? Well, there's definitely a lot of carbon buildup, so the Seafoam definitely has its work cut out for it. Be sure and drop a comment below letting us know if this doesn't work, should we try CRC, intake valve, and turbo cleaner? Well, time to find out if this will actually work. We'll go ahead and insert this into the intake port so we can access the intake valves. We're going to use 100% Seafoam. Now we'll go ahead and add it to the container. We want to make sure we get a strong concentration. I'll make sure the valves are hot and closed. Then we'll pump the Seafoam. 24 hours later, we're going to come back, use a vacuum pump, pull the Seafoam back out. If not, we could definitely damage the engine. We're using a filter for the intake side of the pump so that no contaminants make their way into the intake. I'm definitely excited for this one now that we have our lines run and ready to go. I'll flip the switch and get the testing started. Now that we have pumped our Seafoam, let's go ahead and get this pump out of the way. This way we can go back inside the engine. I'll use the borescope camera and show you these intake valves. This is really cool, guys. This is awesome. You can already see it working in just a couple of moments. Imagine what it could do after 24 hours. Well, I'll definitely have to be careful when pulling this liquid back out of here. Now that we did just that, let's go ahead and start the car. Whoa, look at the smoke. Man, this is definitely going to be a good one. Hopefully I didn't damage the engine. Part 2 coming soon.